Namaste, I am Dr.Jwala Jayaram. Welcome back to Arogyanikethanam Ayurveda. Today we will discuss about prevention of acne and the basic skincare routine to be followed to maintain a healthy skin and to prevent pimples. So in order to understand the preventive aspect of acne, you need to have a basic knowledge about how it is formed, what are the causes of acne and what is the pathology involved in it. So let us move on to the session. Acne or pimples occurs mostly in adolescent age and at certain levels it requires treatment. Ayurveda has a lot to contribute in the management of pimples. The treatment principles has been taken from Sushrita Samhita written by Acharya Sushrita. First let us check on with the normal physiology of skin. Skin is the largest organ in the body and it contains tiny hairs and there are hair follicles underneath surrounded by many sebaceous glands. These sebaceous glands secrete sebum which reaches the hair follicles and then into the skin. These secretions reaching the skin helps in maintaining a proper pH balance of the skin, thereby leading to a healthier skin. But in some conditions, if there is any occlusion to this channel, the sebum secretions can get stagnated in that area or in the hair follicles or in the skin pores. This accumulated amount of secretions will also contain particles from the atmosphere entering through the skin pores and also the dead cells from the surrounding tissues. These secretions therefore becomes a very fertile land for bacterial infections. The most common bacteria causing pimple formation is Cutibacterium acne. It invades through the skin pores and infects the body tissues. So whenever there is an infection, the body fights against that infection through an inflammatory reaction. In Ayurveda, we call it as Jwara. Through this phenomenon, there is a swelling that is formed in the affected site. This is externally seen as a pimple. In later stages, it progresses into suppuration formation, leading to the formation of pus. Now let us discuss about the etiology of acne formation. The first cause is related to age. During the age group of puberty, during pregnancy, and during menstrual cycle, there will be hormonal changes which can cause increased secretion of sebaceous glands, which results in the formation of acne. Another cause is use of occlusive cosmetics or use of cleansers and lotions or clothing which can obstruct the skin pores. During high humidity and excessive sweating, it forms a favorable environment for the microbial infections on the skin. And the use of high glycemic diet, milk products and fried food also increases chances of excessive secretions from the sebaceous glands resulting in occlusion of skin pores, thereby leading to the formation of acne. Now let us summarize the events that occurs during the acne formation. Due to the aforesaid causes, there will be excess sebum production. The excessive accumulation of sebum along with the dead cells surrounding it, especially the keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are those cells which forms 90% of the cells in the epidermis. This accumulated mixture forms a very fertile land for the colonization of Cutibacterium acne, resulting in infection. The body fights against this infection by releasing multiple inflammatory mediators. It ultimately results in the formation of acne. Now let us see how we can prevent the formation of pimples. The primary method of prevention of acne is to prevent the causes which lead to the formation of pimples. Maintenance of proper skin hygiene is required for prevention of microbial infections on the skin. Proper skincare would require medicated water for washing face, use of facial scrubs and face packs at timely intervals. As an easy home care tip, you can use neem leaves or neem barks. Neem is having highly potent antimicrobial action and it is commonly used in many of the Ayurvedic formulations used in the treatment of skin disorders. So you can use a handful of neem leaves in 1 liter of water. It should be boiled for 5 minutes. It can be kept and used for washing face 2 times a day. Next is facial scrubs. You can use scrubs made of green gram powder mixed with lemon juice or curd. This mixture of green gram powder and curd or lemon juice can be used for scrubbing the face in order to remove the dirt from the skin pores so that the dirt particles and the sebaceous secretions will not get occluded in the pores. So this will prevent acne formation in future. Facial scrubs can be used once or 2 times per month. Now that washing the face and facial scrub is over, the next part is using of face packs. For a healthy skin, in order to prevent acne formation, an adequate face pack will be to use neem powder along with green gram powder. 1 teaspoon of each can be mixed together along with honey. Honey is an excellent medium to prevent acne formation. The next essential point is to reduce the use of harsh chemicals. It is impossible to completely avoid chemicals because all the cosmetics will contain preservatives. Most of the cosmetics will contain emollients and surfactants. So whenever you're using a cosmetic product, make sure to use SLS and paraben free product. SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a surfactant, and paraben is a commonly used preservatives in cosmetics. Both these SLS and paraben are found to have induced contact dermatitis in skin. There are many chemicals used in cosmetic products which are helpful in the management of acne, like salicylic acid powders. These products can be used under the advice of a qualified doctor. If you are using makeups, make sure to remove the makeup completely, followed by washing the face with medicated water. Maintaining proper diet is an important aspect in the prevention of acne. First point is to take adequate amount of water. An average amount of 1.5 to 2 liters of water should be consumed daily to prevent acne formation. Also reduce amount of oil fried food items like chips and fries. Reduce consumption of non-vegetarian food like chicken meat and fish will also be helpful in prevention of acne. Hope you like the session. Today we discuss about preventive aspect of acne. In next session we will discuss about the treatment of pimples. If you have any queries, you can contact us through our email ID. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Thank you and have a nice day.